Hi Virginia, this video is your second Pick 3 pi method video. If you are new here, all I do is I take the number pi, 3.14159, and I add and subtract variations of that number to see if we can add those to the numbers that have already hit to see if we can figure out the potential numbers hitting in the next 7 days. For your state, it seems to like Mondays for this method. And then one thing I thought was very interesting with your state, which I'll show you later in the video here, is it really seems to like subtracting off the 314. And again, I'll show you that as we go along here. Remember that all math in the video will be lottery math. And then the first half of the video will be showing you my back testing method. And then towards the end of the video, I'll be showing you potential numbers in the next 7 days based off of the video here. Alright, so on April 13th, you had 115 hit. You're going to add 314, so 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. 5 plus 4 is 9. And then you're going to also subtract 314. So you have 11 minus 3, which is 8. 1 minus 1, which is 0. 5 minus 4, which is 1. Neither of those numbers hit in the next 7 days. You're going to take the number 429, which you got from right there. You're going to add 159, so 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. And then 9 plus 9 is 8. 5, 7, 8 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're also going to subtract off 159, so you have 4 minus 1, which is 3. 12 minus 5, which is 7, and then 9 minus 9, which is 0. And that 370 also did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to also take that 801 that's up here. You're going to also add 159. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 0 plus 5 is 5, and then 1 plus 9 is 0. 950 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to also subtract off 159, so you have 8 minus 1, which is 7, 10 minus 5, which is 5, 11 minus 9, which is 2. You're going to subtract 1 from the 7, so 7 minus 1 is 6, bring down 5, 2, and that number did hit in the next 7 days. Okay, Virginia, so the rest of the video, I'll be showing you mostly what numbers that did hit and not what did not hit. But there's one section where I got to cover that a little bit where they did not hit. So here we go. So on April 20th, you had 600 hit. You're going to subtract 314, so you have 6 minus 3, which is 3. 10 minus 1, which is 9. 10 minus 4, which is 6. 396 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to subtract 159. 3 minus 1, which is 2. 9 minus 5, which is 4. 16 minus 9, which is 7. And then subtract off the 1 from the 7. So 7 minus 1, which is 6. Bring down 2, 4. That number did hit on April 24th. And I just wanted to point out really quick, so at the beginning of the video here, I did mention that Virginia really likes the subtracting the 314. So there you go. There's an example there. And then pretty much the whole video is the minus 314 for the most part. So I'll show you that as well. Alright, so on April 27th, you had 267 hit, minus 314, again, minus 314, there we go. And then 12 minus 3, which is 9. 6 minus 1, which is 5. 7 minus 4, which is 3. That's 953. That number did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to add 159, so you have 9 plus 1, which is 0. 5 plus 5, which is 0, and then 3 plus 9, which is 2. You're going to add 1 to one of the zeros there. Bring down 0, 1, and then you're going to bring down that 2, and then that's 0, 1, 2. That number did hit on April 29. Alright, and then on May 4th, you had 452 hit. You're going to add 314, 4 plus 3, which is 7, 5 plus 1, which is 6, and then 2 plus 4 is 6. 766 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to subtract off the 314, so you have 4 minus 3, which is 1, 5 minus 1, which is 4, and then 12 minus 4, which is 8. I'm going to add 1 to the 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Bring down 4, 8, and that did hit on May 12th. Okay, and then the reason I put that 766 there is you're going to, in some cases, you can bring down the 766 and then add the 159. So 7 plus 1 is 8, 6 plus 5 is 1, and then 6 plus 9 is 5. You're going to add 1 to the 5, so 5 plus 1 is 6. Bring down 8, 1, and then 816 did hit on May 5th. And then similar here, you're going to subtract 159 from the 766, which is from up here. Minus 159, so 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. And then 16 minus 9 is 7. So you're going to add 1 to the 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. And then bring down 6, 1. And again, that number did hit on May 5th. And then that 148 you got from up here. Going to add 159, so you have 1 plus 1, which is 2, 4 plus 5, which is 9, 8 plus 9, which is 7, subtract off 1 from the 7, bring down 29, and then 296 did hit on May 9th. So based on what I just covered, the potential numbers in the next 7 days, they're coming from your 355 that hit on this week on Monday. The numbers are 141, 207, 190, 892, and 992. So if you are new here, sometimes my numbers can be one off, and I'll go through maybe a couple examples here to show you what I mean by that. So the way these numbers may show is, so let's go with 207. So that could turn into 307, 107, 217, 297, 208, and 206. And then let's go through that 190. So 190 could show as 290, 090, 100, 180, 191, and 199. Okay, that is it, Virginia. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know in that comment section.